If you've also been waiting for a fantastic Nokia smartphone, that's incredibly affordable yet packed with amazing features, then today we've brought something special just for you. And the most exciting thing about this incredible Nokia smartphone, it's going to come with a 150 megapixel DSLR camera. Yes, you heard that right, we're talking about the Nokia Lumia 305G smartphone. If you're eager to get your hands on this powerhouse device, make sure to watch this video till the end. Because today we'll be diving deep into its full features, price, and launch date. So let's start. Features of Nokia Lumia 305G. Display. This stunning smartphone is expected to feature a massive 6.79-inch Full HD Plus OLED display with 2K resolution. According to leaks, it will also boast a 144 Hz refresh rate, 390 Hz touch sampling rate, and Gorilla Glass 7 protection. On top of that, you'll get an in-display fingerprint sensor and IP68 rating for water and dust resistance. Camera setup. Nokia's flagship killer is rumored to sport a triple camera setup, including a primary 150 megapixel sensor, a 50 megapixel telephoto lens, and an 8 megapixel ultra-wide sensor. For selfie lovers, there's a 50 megapixel front-facing camera, ready to capture every detail. Processor. Leaks suggest that this Nokia smartphone could give the iPhone a run for its money. It's expected to be powered by the latest and most powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset, ensuring blazing fast performance. And when it comes to the operating system, you'll likely get Android 16 right out of the box. Battery backup. As for battery life, this beast is rumored to pack a 7600 mAh powerhouse, with 100-watt fast charging support, meaning less charging time and more usage time. Price and launch date. Finally, let's talk about the price. According to leaks, it could be priced around $699. And as for the launch date, there's no official confirmation yet, but stay tuned for updates.